Hey guys, welcome back to another video. One thing first, I did change my YouTube channel name to You Felix, so just call me that. So yeah, You Felix here, and today, jackpot at the dumpster. Found two laptops, one here. Where's my camera? And then one here, and a keyboard for my gaming PC. But I'm not gonna do anything on the keyboard today, so let's try and turn these on. So, oh no. Tell me I have to do this. Okay. Just do this. So, oh my god. We have this thing, two laptops, one Dell, one HP. Oh my god. Please help me. So, let's just get straight into it by getting our charger. So first, not this computer. We'll put that aside for a second. So, this HP laptop, you can see it's kind of dirty on the keyboard. Can't really see it on camera, but has a very loose hinge and no battery. But it has a same charging port, so you can plug that in. So let's plug it in, press the power button. So nothing's happening. Something doesn't seem to be right. So, that's weird, but moving on to the next laptop. Can try and turn it on. And also a Dell Latitude. Plug that in. The charging port. You can see it's turning on. It's showing some signs of life. It sounds like there's something in the DVD drive. So this looks like a really old version of, that's the DVD drive. Windows XP. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it's working. Let's go. And there's something in the DVD drive. Let me look on the back here on this computer. Well, I don't know what software that computer comes with, the HP one. Okay, Windows is starting up. Control-Alt-Delete. Where's the delete key? And password. to shut down. Shut down. Okay. Look at this sticker. That was supposed to say Windows XP, and this was supposed to say AMD. So, yeah, let's try to do it a different way. Yep, that's what this thing was supposed to say. If you could pause, something was there, but let's wait for it. Come on. Password 123. Nope. Come on. How about the username? Is it right? I don't know what's going on right now, but no. Let's try William. Nope. Can see how loose this display is. And this does have a battery in it. This is a full computer altogether. So, unplugging the computer. Oh! It holds a charge. Let's do it. Let's try and turn this computer on. How does that sound? I'm sorry for being so quiet. Let me just give you my entertainment here. So sorry about that. Turn that on. Sorry this is taking up your time. Not my fault. My computer's fault and also my fault. F2. So, wait. I knew there was a DVD in here. WinData DVD are recordable media. That's weird. Let's close that up. Enter. Come on. Well, I guess that wraps up the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe down below. And yeah. So I hope you have a great day, and yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.